Hello and welcome to Unit 3.2. The third theme that we are working on is human ingenuity, and it's about human advancement. The first unit was named Future Humans. We talked about futuristic stuff. We talked about genetically modified food, organisms, cloning people, and sex selection and stuff, and related topics. Related topic is better than saying stuff. For this unit 3.2, the name is Technology and Human Interactions. So we are going to discuss more about present than future or past, and how we interact with each other and how technology affects it. So let's start with the learning objectives, knowledge questions, and move on. As you can see, there are two learning objectives. Become more aware of the effects of technology on social interaction. So you are having social interactions and people have social interactions, and technology affects these interactions. However, you may not be aware. The objective here for you to become more aware. Be able to discuss and debate issues associated with technology and social interactions. So when you have enough knowledge, you can also discuss and even debate about it, which means you should learn how to form and develop your arguments, how to present your arguments, and so on. Knowledge questions. Yes, first, how has technology affected the way people interact with each other, and how can people best engage in meaningful relationships without technology getting in the way, which means preventing those relationships, meaningful relationships. But learn some new words. Let's check the vocabulary in the word bank. Technology. Everyone knows what technology is. Advancements. Not necessarily in any area, because that would be engineering, but technology. Devices. And we talk about technological devices. We mean like phones, pads, laptops, PCs, all these things. Smartwatch. Millennials. Millennials, for you, were people, because they're older than you. They're the previous generation. You are Generation Z or Gen Z or Zoomers. Millennial, there are two different dates. Some believe from 1981 and some believe from 1984, which doesn't matter really. Those who were born mid-80s and have certain characteristics, there are millennials. Until late 1990s, 96, 97. Internet, if you don't know what internet is, here we are not practicing describing and explaining words. Just the purpose is to know the meaning. Tweeting, yes, on Twitter, when you tweet something, when you write something and send, it's tweeting. Narcissism has the psychological definition of it and everything, but in daily life speaking and for our sake of our conversation and discussion, the person puts himself or herself above everything and everyone. Doesn't doesn't care about anyone else. It's just me, and chat. Chat means just sitting and talking, at the same time texting on WhatsApp or just using the texting application of the phone, an iPhone, then that's chat. Collaboration, working together to do something. Empathy. Empathy is understanding someone else's feelings. What the person is going through, you can also relate or feel. Conversation, two people, more than two people talking about a topic. Screens. Screens here means screens of technological devices. When you say get off the screens or we are too much on screen, we're talking about screen of laptop, screen of television, screen of phone, and so on. Connected to the internet, connected to the global village of people. Phubbing is a word that is coined. Coined means taking one part of one word and the other part of another word, put them together. Phubbing means phone snubbing. Snubbing means not paying attention to someone and avoiding the person. If you do it by your phone, is phubbing, which means you're constantly on your phone and you don't pay attention to people around you or people whom you're supposed to pay attention to. Creative, someone with creative ability, someone who can create things, someone who doesn't just follow and bring new things. Gadget, any kind of technological device that does something maybe a little bit more than ordinary or normal, can be called gadget. Boredom, being bored. Distracted driving, doing other activities while driving, like texting, talking, and so on. Surfing, one surfing is going to the ocean and surf the waves, which is good. Another one is just moving around and browsing around internet websites or social media, just going through your TikTok account for your page or just Instagram Explorer, just surfing. And intelligent, you probably, having intelligence, which is the ability to understand, to analyze, and to learn things. And if we talk about the devices, it's artificial intelligence, not natural like humans. Well, this was the introduction to the unit, and hope you enjoy the unit because the topics are quite good. Not very up to date, but quite good. Interesting. See you on the next lesson. Take care.